Understanding the versatile uses of board. As a noun, a flat, thin, rectangular material often made of wood, used for various purposes. The carpenter cut the board to build the shelf. She pinned the notes on the corkboard. As a noun, a group of people managing an organization or institution, for example, board of directors. The board decided to approve the budget for the next quarter. He was appointed as a member of the school board. 3. As a noun, meals or food provided, often as part of lodging, room and board. The rent includes room and board for the students. They paid for their stay, which included full board. 4. As a verb, to get on or into a ship, plane, train, or bus. We boarded the plane just before the storm started. Passengers are now allowed to board the train. 5. As a verb, to live and receive meals at someone else's house or a boarding facility. She boarded with a local family while studying abroad. He decided to board his dog at a pet care center during his vacation. 6. As a noun, a specific type of equipment like a surfboard or skateboard. He waxed his surfboard before heading to the beach. The child learned how to balance on a skateboard. 7. As a noun, a surface used for playing games, for example, chessboard, whiteboard. The chess pieces were arranged on the board. Write your answer on the whiteboard. As a verb, to cover or seal something with boards, often temporary. They boarded up the windows before the hurricane arrived. The abandoned house was boarded to prevent trespassing.